What if this voice you're hearing isn't human? No studio, no microphone, no actor. Just AI. And the scary part? You might not even notice. So here's the question. Are voice actors about to be replaced? Voice acting isn't just reading lines. It's emotion, tone, timing, and performance. Voice actors bring characters, ads, and stories to life. Have you ever recognized a character just by their voice? AI is rapidly transforming voice creation. Tools like ElevenLabs and Murf AI can generate realistic voices in seconds. You can even clone voices from short audio samples. AI voice cloning has already been used to replicate celebrity voices. In some cases, people couldn't tell the difference. This has raised major concerns in the industry. If you can't tell the difference, does it matter who's speaking? AI has powerful advantages. It's fast, cost-effective, and scalable. It can generate voices in multiple languages and styles instantly. But AI has limitations. It struggles with deep emotion, subtle tone changes, and improvisation. Sometimes, AI voices feel flat or unnatural. Many voice actors are concerned about AI replacing their work. There have been cases where voices were used without permission. This raises serious ethical and legal questions. Human voice actors bring authenticity, emotion, and personality. They can adapt, improvise, and deliver performances that feel real. They don't just speak, they perform. The future isn't AI replacing voice actors, it's collaboration. AI will be used for dubbing, accessibility, and basic narration. Voice actors will focus on high-quality, emotional performances. AI can generate voices, but it can't truly feel them. Voice acting is about emotion, and emotion is human. So the real question is, will voice actors adapt or be replaced? Subscribe for more videos on AI and the future of creativity. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories, infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.